1, 2, 3. Hi guys, Artie here. Welcome back to another amazing video. And today we're playing natural disasters in real life all around my house. So, like when there's tornado, we're gonna need to hide in the basement. When there's lava, we're gonna want to go upstairs. It is gonna be so epic. Make sure. And guys, the first one we're gonna do is gonna be lava, so we're gonna wanna go upstairs. Then tornado. Speaking of tornado, can you swoosh away that like and subscribe button? Thanks. Okay. But yeah, I don't see anyone quite yet. I don't see. But where did Monkey-O go? I know Monkey-O wanted to do this too. Oh, and guys, another reason to subscribe. I'm starting Shine's Camp, my own series, and like maybe today, like I don't know, but very, very, very soon. So you should probably, so if you want, you should subscribe and make it so tell me what your name is so I can put it on the subscriber wall I'm gonna build in my house. Okay. Okay, there you are, Monkey-O. Come on, let's start playing. Okay, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. But okay, Monkey-O. Today we're doing natural disasters. The first one is lava. So the floor is lava. So we're going to try to get on a bed or in a high spot. The floor is lava, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Monkey-O, did you survive? Ready, set. The floor is not lava anymore. How have I already been filming for 2 minutes? Okay. Wow. Okay, it's not lava anymore. You can get down. Oh yeah, I should have hid up there. But I hid in a bed, so I was safe. The next one is tornado, so we're gonna want to go into the basement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come on. We need to get into the basement fast. Okay. The tornado's above our house. I can't see. What do you need? Oh my God. Wait, hold on. Did we just for a second? Okay. Go. Okay, let's go into the basement. Ooh. It's so light. World. Hold on. Where is the light switch? Is it way down? I have that one. No. Okay, let's go down. Oh, that is it. Oops. Okay, let's get down. Hey, Mom. Cheese ball. Okay. Oh. We survived that one. Come on, let's go back up. The next one is the gotcha. That is not what the next one is. What even is that? The next one is...
It's gotcha!
The Gulks. A tsunami. So, monkey... What am I saying? Your cousin is Wells. What am I talking about? Oh my gosh. Okay.
And now,
let's go.
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go to,
I don't know. Where should we go?
Okay, I really don't know what you should do for a tsunami. 10, 9, 8, 10, 9, 8, wait, so that was 7, oh my, whatever. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're safe! Yay! We're safe. Okay. Now the next one is a murder. So, hey Google, turn the lights red. Herobrine in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, that one is not wet.
Huh? Run! We need we survived that one. Okay, well, see you in the next video. Bye!